Traveling and camping with friends and family has never been more convenient than in the new 2018 FR3 32DS. Find yours today at Tradewinds RV Center. This is a Class A motorhome with a single rear axle, 2 slide-outs, 4-point hydraulic leveling jacks, rear pass-through cargo compartment, and backup and side cameras. There's also a roof ladder, power patio awning, outside shower, and outside entertainment center with TV and marine-grade speakers. The well-appointed cockpit includes a Pioneer Dash entertainment system, diamond plate floor mat, a center table, passenger workstation, and a power fold-away bunk above the cab. In the main living area, you'll see a plush ultra-leather jackknife folding sofa bed with dual footrests across from an ultra-leather wraparound dinette booth with comfort cushions. A double-basin stainless steel sink has a flip-up countertop nearby and 32-inch TV overhead, and the kitchen features a 3-burner cooktop with oven and flush mount cover, convection microwave, and split-door fridge. There's a bunk above a folding futon sofa in the bunkhouse area with individual light and pocket door. Opposite is the master bathroom, which has a foot-flush toilet, stainless steel sink and fixture, and a brushed nickel-framed glass shower with handheld sprayer. An LED TV and dual wardrobes are installed in the master bedroom, as well as a king bed with designer bedspread and pillows. Integrated reading lights and storage cabinet are above the bed with nightstands on either side. Go to TradewindsRVCenter.com to shop the nation's largest selection of motorized and towable RVs at the lowest prices around, or give us a call at 810-547-5965 to talk directly with one of our friendly, experienced salespeople who work hard to find our customers the right RVs at the right prices. Shop Tradewinds today.